Hey everyone, welcome back to The Tatted Investor. I'm Ven. Today we're going to be deep diving into Airbnb lodging and hospitality management. No fluff, just straightforward tips to help elevate your hosting game. So let's jump right in. Imagine this. Your guest walks into your Airbnb and instead of just finding a clean room, they discover a space that feels like home. That's the magic of creating a welcoming environment. It goes beyond the basics. You need to think about personal touches, local flair, and amenities that just make their stay feel special. Because a memorable stay creates happy guests, which in turn creates positive reviews and increases the likelihood that they're going to come back. Communication is the glue that holds your Airbnb experience together. It's not just about quick responses, though that's crucial. It's about being clear, helpful, and proactive. Anticipate your guests' needs by providing local insights, clear check-in instructions, and essential information. Pro tip: leverage messaging platforms and automation tools for seamless guest communication throughout their stay. I use software called Hospitable. It is exactly what I need for my business at this point in time, and there are many other options that you can compare to operate and run your business. Hospitable allows me to create and set up triggered messages on a timed calendar that will go out to my guests intermittently throughout their stay just to check in on them, see if they need anything, ask to see if anything's wrong with their stay currently, because I want to correct and fix or just take the praise and post that on my reviews page. Pricing isn't a guessing game. Sure, check similar listings in your area, but don't forget to highlight what makes your space unique. Is it a stunning view, exceptional amenities, or just a prime location? Also, consider dynamic pricing to adjust your rates based on demand, seasons, or a local event. Finding that sweet spot not only attracts guests, but generates an opportunity to maximize your earnings potential. Before you hit publish, let's talk legalities. Knowing and adhering to your local laws, obtaining the necessary permits, and handling taxes are non-negotiable. Staying on the right side of the law ensures smooth operations and protects your business from potential headaches that might come down the road. Tech isn't just for the tech savvy, it's for smart hosting. Integrate smart devices for convenience. Leverage booking management tools to stay organized. And install smart locks for secure and seamless check-ins. Technology not only saves you time, but it increases the overall experience that your guest has, making your listing more appealing. Now let's take it up a notch. Mastering hospitality isn't confined to hotels. It's a game changer for Airbnb hosts too. Elevating your skills in both management and hospitality creates an experience beyond just accommodation. These skills not only satisfy your current guests, but put you into a position of more ambitious ventures. Speaking of ventures, let's talk about online travel agencies, OTAs, like Airbnb, VRBO, and Booking.com. We've talked about them before. This isn't where you just share your space. These are robust marketing tools. I teach this, but learning how to strategically leverage these platforms not only maximizes your visibility, it increases your reservations and the growth of your business. Learning how to strategically master these platforms is the key to increasing your earning potential. Well, there you have it, a comprehensive guide to elevate your Airbnb lodging and hospitality management. But hold on, we're just scratching the surface. If you enjoyed what you saw, stick around because we got more in the series to come. Give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and let's continue on this journey together. I'm Ven from the Tatted Investor, and until next time, stay tatted, stay invested.